Hi guys, welcome back. So in the previous session, we have seen a brief introduction about anonymous inner class and how to create an anonymous inner class in Java, precisely for a functional interface and as well as an interface with multiple abstract methods. That's what we have discussed. So usually a kind of a question that rises in our mind, can these anonymous class can it be replaced with the lambda expressions? So that's what the usually question that occurs in our mind. Usually it's not always, only in certain cases itself we can replace the inner classes with a lambda expression. What are those cases? So, if you can recollect what we have discussed about a lambda expression, so this lambda expression can be implemented using a functional interface. So it means an interface which has one abstract method. So, in order to implement the lambda expression on an anonymous inner class, this anonymous inner class should implement a functional interface. Then only you can use a lambda expression, guys. So this is a small point that you guys need to consider. I know lambda expressions using a functional interface, I can provide an implementation for this lambda expression and anonymous class. Okay, this anonymous class can support an interface implementation, functional interface implementation, even you can implement an abstract class, and in also even you can implement a concrete class. But in order to work on a lambda expression, an anonymous class should implement only a functional interface. Okay, fine. So what I'm doing right now means earlier we have created a class which is implementing an anonymous inner class which is implementing a functional interface itself. So inter one, it has only one method which is a login method which we are calling it as a functional interface, and this is the implementation. So this whole thing I can replace it with a lambda expression. So what I'm doing right now means whatever the code base I have created earlier, I'm just commenting that particular code base. And let us study more about this particular interface. I know this interface contains only one method, that is an abstract method. So in order to create a lambda expression, the rules are, if you recollect the rules basically, no method name, no return type, no access modifiers. So directly I can define this is what and an expression followed by if there is a single liner code, no need to specify the start brace and as well as the end brace. My requirement is to just print a line itself, login logic. So I have a defined system.out.println login logic. So for the complete inner class, the lambda expression was derived in a single line itself. The reason why I'm not specifying the method is my compiler will know basically interface of one which has only one method that's going to implement that particular logic. As it is a single liner method, I'm not specifying any braces for that. So let me do this implementation. Inter1 space obj is equal to, I'm just replacing it with a lambda expression. So this system.out.println, I'm placing it out over there directly. This is the thing that I have implemented. I haven't done anything else, guys, just this line whatever I have done. So for this interface, which is a functional interface, it has only one abstract method. This is what the implementation for that particular method. So if you observe almost the four liner code or a three liner code, we are converting into a lambda expression within a single line. And again, how we are going to call obj dot that particular method name for which we have implemented login. So when I run my script, the way how it executed the logic and printed the statement using a inner class, and this one would be one and the same. Okay, good. So this is the way how how an inner class, anonymous inner class, can be replaced with a lambda expression. And guys, on top of it, usually few questions that comes in our mind. So is it possible for us? to replace always the anonymous inner class with a lambda expression? No. In the second example that you have seen, this is the class which has a two abstract methods. These are two abstract methods. You can't implement them using a lambda expression. In order to work on a lambda expression, it should be only one functional interface. So using this point, I can conclude that lambda expression and as well as a way anonymous inner class are two different concepts. Out of all the situations where the anonymous inner classes is there, only few occurrences can be replaced with the lambda expression. Okay, this is what an example is. Cool. Thank you guys. See you again in the next session. Bye bye.